Hey everyone, this is Justin Hoffman, and welcome to part 2 of the sights and sounds of Mexico City, in particular, the Federal District of Mexico City, Distrito Federal. Unfortunately, the Angel of Independence was under scaffold during my visit, but what can you do? The Angel of Independence, most commonly known by the shortened named El Angel, is a victory column on a roundabout on the major thoroughfare of Paseo de la Reforma. El Angel was built in 1910 during the presidency of Porfirio Diaz by architect Antonio Rivas Mercado to commemorate the centennial of the beginning of Mexico's War of Independence. Some out-of-the-way graffiti accusing the police of murder. As in the previous video, the names in the left-hand corner are the names of the various neighborhoods. The Huntress Diana fountain was designed by Vicente Mendiola and sculpted by Juan Olaguibel. It was erected in 1942 as part of a beautification project of the city with an aesthetic influence of socialist realism. I really enjoyed this area of the city for its modernity, beautiful gardens, and the mix of old and new. Watch out, Lion. You better keep that mask on. Here you have a mother who is waiting for you and loves you with all her heart. When I see a 7-Eleven, I can't help but think of Thailand. Plenty of adult stores in this area. Nightclubs for those so inclined. Well, these have been some of the sights and sounds of the Federal District of Mexico City that I saw and enjoyed. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time.